Hey guys, today we are going to see how we can use nodejs in our system and how we can install and verify nodejs in our system. So for that, first you need to go to your browser and then search for nodejs. So usually it should be the first link that you have to click on that, and then we are going to download this LTS version. We have other version as of now. We have other version that is 23.6.0, but we are going to download LTS version. LTS stand for long term support. So click here and download this and wait for download to complete. Then click on this. It will start the down installation wizard. Then simply click next and next, and then it is asking to install Chocolatey to your system. So you can either skip it or select it. I will select it, and then next, then click on install. And it might require some permission to install this uh, node.js. So you now you just need to wait. Okay, so node.js installation is finished. Now this is asking to install some other native things. Now if you search for node -v, then you should be able to see this node version here. So that means your node is 100% installed, and now you're good to go. Yep, we are good. Okay,